Menye de me fion yo. Ayaye bomlo. Ayaye bomlo. De konakonye moda. Menye de me chio. Ayaye womlo. Ayakwe womlo. Ameda evi. Na holon ode. Ameda evi. Na holon ode. Amemano amesie, eye na mensuale. Menye de me fion yo. Ayaye bomlo. Ayaye bomlo. De konakonye moda. Menye de me chio. Ayaye womlo. Ayakwe womlo. Ameda evi. Na holon ode. Ameda evi. Na holon ode.
Tane ku higa de keba dobla machinami ikata mi mano mi ankosamo mi trogo me dakwana mi katamba mi chia Ewenyigba TV aba TV kebo mi ano ndishia ndine Tony Mark-Boye we miawe gatro egboba tafrache gare me dona mi de eta yo ke mia I will make a motivational message, Peter. Go me give me a motivational message very, very briefly. Nemi trova mia bonka nyajujo kakacho nyajujo kakapo katan. So let's look at the motivational message. The only way to great work is to love what you do. The only way to great work is to love what you do. So the message is simple for us this morning. Love what you do. Or do what you love. That's just it. So you're doing something now, learn to love it. If you can't love it, get what you can love to do. And that's how you'll be exceptional and you'll make exploits in life. Yota ni bomi le motivate me motivational message na egbato. Get me the call me boblombe. Mia asronle ke mia long mi ke miona. Mia asronle ke mia wo mi ke mi lona. Nemi na no mi ke do pa nyagbo mi lelo. Do e ke pa nyagbo mi la ha. Mia ano dollar. So that's basically what we have for our motivational message. All right. Mia bo nuka nye stories ke mile amuganto mafia lo nuka we nye nyajojo ke amugamanto maviaro o jalam. So we can look at it that way. Ke nemi obo mi trogava ba bunka we nye nyajojo yo ke kaka le nyajojo gbano kata pe tao dendia ke nei galia ke mia akbo anyare kavaro ke betadu komo on haro chu betadu komo yo ke ukami nena mania wona. Am I right? So strong leka na no mi kom ne strong to ike na no alo na jito ike na wo ike na no gbejijilo na no gbejiji do manya to he now. All right, mia akbo holiday.com that very quickly. holiday.com mia bonka nya jojo kala holiday.com abela ke mi nya na fo gania mi jona nya ple mia pe nyang dela akagba ukeo taiwana ya la alakalo tana ojoba nya pe nyang dela gere miaji mina na go gere miaji alawe mia awe aduatu. All right, so holiday.com makbo edem sagbefia lafia edem sagbefia yikaba kwa jamba ya nye chairman wa alo vice chairman na Ghana kata glogoto NDC to la Ghana kata glogoto agboblomba yajaba yomo kle chugba ji yo fufu awreka albe bo ade tutu wana ye yo tuma rosuba do corporate research I do corporate research agenda I go with to manavame. So we have that one there. Edem Sagbefia is the national vice chairman hopeful. Sagbefia galvanizes Northern NDC bloc. We have that there. Mahama reveals presidential staffing figures to parliament. That's another trending story over here. Then court expunges portions of testimony in Bishu graft trial. And Tamaklo Ationu extradited to serve mass log sentence. So microfinance and small loan center boss is trending so much. Sedinam Tamaklo has arrived in Ghana on the 9th of June, and she's in the grips of the police. And they are finalizing processes to take her to prison. All right, so those are some of the things we have. Idrisu demands clarity over World Cup fan elite. You can enjoy World Cup America. Jealous of Takbahama Chobe. Mimanaka some go be Minaka go biaka some cho Jidudu Agbo. So maybe we should start with that one on a very light note. Mimanaka some cho Jidu Agbo, Many Bromolo, Najo Jolly Brom. So let's start with sports quickly, just a very quick one. First, Deputy Minority Whip and Member of Parliament for Tolon Habib Idrisu has called for an exigent parliamentary briefing from the Minister for Sports and Recreation, Kofi Adams, to interrogate Ghana's logistical and fiscal blueprint for the 2026 FIFA World Cup amid allegations of preferential allocation of supporter travel privileges. Takbidagwa, Deputy Minority Chief Whip, American MPP Toyo South Africa, Fufolao Pakberento, Ika Ankonya Honorable Habib Idrisu, Ikanya Tolong to Member of Parliament of South Africa, Amela Moba, Yohiane Adams. American Tata Pomle, the Papa for the Enye Kofi Adams, a Minister for Sports and Recreation. Yohiane Boba Parliament Havana, you are contactually or Muchiam or Corura America, Alaba, Yosa Amo, Topamo, no family and friends, who Mato, Belon Lao, Patimato, or Chamule, Berenchi, Ticket in Amo, or America, or Berenchi, no visa, well, ticket in Amo, America. So that's the allegation, according to Habib Idrisu, member of the majority caucus. Have each been apportioned a pair of slots under the state-sponsored framework to facilitate the conveyance of constituents to the tournament co-hosted by the United States, Canada, and Mexico. I'll read that again. According to Habibi Dishu, members of the majority caucus have each been apportioned a pair of slots under the state-sponsored framework to facilitate the conveyance of constituents to the tournament co-hosted by the United States, Canada, and Mexico. The legislature contends that the arrangement raises profound questions of equity, transparency, and fiduciary propriety in the deployment of public resources toward sporting diplomacy. Toronto member of Parliament Gombe use one Monkoko NDC Toyoka Lesota Paham MP Katabo Chamabo to war Ntuma or America and Utikiti America, Alaka Masemia. Bella Laka and young Fiti Lava, Yokatanya Ganato, Manyam Moka, Lensi Pajalo, Jura Papaji, walk with Okoro America. Ta Nella Laka, Yohiane. Kofi Adams, Kabanto, member of Parliament. Alave, over Choco, World Cup government yeah. So that is that. So so the demand surfaces against a backdrop of intensifying scrutiny over sports financing, with civil society actors and governance watchdogs advocating for austerity and meritocratic access to all state-funded delegations. According to governance expert Dr. Asian Kuma, the options of asymmetrical allocation risk eroding public confidence in the stewardship of Ghana's World Cup campaign and could precipitate intercorporate discord ahead of budget appropriation debates. That Peter Kwa, if we got a gomba on your NDC talk with Pakwagon Chaloga Chamocho, Pongtuma, but which is not a chanton of Yamofe, not to Potosu, Aida America. Alaka Romola, many blue, tall on top and Pianablo, Tapufiadam, like a Samuel. Over Oinada Capo, over Jidu Doko, Lukishi Doko, Mr. Benjines and Planas Bay, your $500 million, $5 million, I should think, huge money like that. Mr. Serene, about 2 million cities now. Insurance cover, Mr. Nyokata. So, Leko Gahoniniva, Leko Gandome, yo, Tonom Top MP Gombe, and here be Nyasenanacho Minister Bo, Afia Monagavato Dangbeshi. All right, so that's on sports. That's on sports. We are going to the sports season. So rep your jersey, don't forget that. All right, Tamaklo Ationo extradited to serve Maslock sentence. Okay, former Chief Executive Officer of the Microfinance and Small Scale Center, Sir Dina Tamaklo Ationo has been extradited to serve her custodial term after years of judicial pursuit, marking a pivotal moment in Ghana's anti-graft jurisprudence. So, according to the Office of the Attorney General, the erstwhile Maslock boss was repatriated under the aegis of the International Mutual Legal Assistance Protocols following her conviction and abstention. Takira said in Kenya Maslock, Juruka Dove, Kwanaka, Vivi, Galu, and to come Yoji, Loga, Bubaro, Reocha, Kamalaka, Obienia, Yoklera, Bonko, Nkejo, Gran Joy, Jetayavaco, Shakabador America, Bobo, Ojagba, Bashak, Bababe, Bobo, Egbalo, Magboba. Ta Fifia Ashisuji, Kana, to call a Grekacha America to call Olegileji Huko Libre, Bladaka by your Libre, a lot of it of Ashima, O Yim the Bongala, Hog Balla, Cavaro, to stop Parojico, Kayamina and Soundra. That's what we have by the just to strap side from a Deputy Attorney General Jiru or Senalagan Parento, a Puncho, a block Peter Cover. Oh, really? Oh, really? All right, Ejojina over Yola Catachan for America to go Hassan Gomanayo, Alabama, go with a young Bablola, a she, a suchi. So that is what we have. That's what we have right there. Okay. Mia Azorengo, Agakbo, Nkawe, Mia Agakbole, holiday dot. Kom kaba cook Mia Azorango Dukopola John Dramani Mama the parliament, so we have to know that out of I don't know, accountability series. Mama reveals presidential staffing figures to parliament in a move toward fiscal transparency and administrative accountability. President John Dramani Mahama has tabled the 2025 presidential office staffing complement before the legislature, unveiling an intricate human resource architecture that sustains executive governance. And according to the report submitted to Parliament, the presidency operates with 235 political appointees alongside 575 civil and public servants, delineating the bifurcation between partisan, advisory, personnel, and career technocrats who underpin statecraft. The disclosure fulfills constitutional imperatives mandating periodic position of presidential staffing figures so the people's representatives scrutinize and also have budgetary oversight over them. Critical report at the America Donkle to Coprola, you can get presidential appointees, only 235 presidential appointees. 235 presidential appointees. Eke du Coprola John Mahama ba Amayoko Chiancho Yento Partymen, 235 presidential appointees. Kameokanye dollar litititi. Afi over American dollar over to public servants, civil servants, and only over to corporate work and so civil and public servants here you call where or in 575. So 235, 575. So we are talking about 800, 800 and over. Yeah, 810 or something like that. Do your maths. All right. So that's what we have over there. Maybe last one, just a quick one, and we all right. Charles Bishop and Yadel OSP Pashima coach or the High Court, a Joe OSP no High Court, Chok Baran River, or not Trek Balamaji or before Charles Bishop a brush to cover Gamaka over Bana Equator, Nano Kura Balanchi. That some of the things must be expunged. So yeah, so we have court expunges portions of testimony in Busu Craft trial. And then imagine me, I have no account. Fine, you can go and read that. The High Court in Accra has excised 24 paragraphs from the witness statement of an investigative journalist testifying in the alleged corruption trial of Charles Bishop, as well as secretary to the now defunct Interministerial Committee on Illegal Mining, and two co-defendants deeming the material inadmissible hearsay. So according to the presiding judge, the stricken portions of the deposition failed to satisfy the evidentiary threshold of direct knowledge and instead relied on second-hand assertions. However, OSP, no court all of Church Banner, no track Balaji, a Kenya that's a 4.1 Bonoko Abu Charles Bishop, Boma, Crack Brown, which I don't know, Yari, Obo, na Oba va Hongwa, as a son. But what Pugama, Diana make a boom for Colo Chito or Colvene or Lee Adadi, Benacamasuba, seeing out 10 months out, time upon mercy. Da una the Ngareka OSP Monocova a show. So you can, if that interests you, go to OEW. Okay, last one over here. Message to NDC faithfuls in Tamale, Northeast. Upper East, Savannah, Bono, and Upper West. So, comrades and fellow patrons, this message is coming from Dr. Adam Segafia to the NDC block in the Northern Belt, all right? So, just a quick one on that. Greetings to you all across Tamale, Northeast, Upper East, Savannah, Bono, and Upper West. Your strength, discipline, and loyalty have always been the backbone of party in the north and beyond. As we move forward, I urge you to stay firm and remain loyal to the ideals and vision of the NDC. The work we started must not be derailed by division or distraction. This is a time to support the reset agenda fully. It is our collective roadmap to rebuild, reorganize, and deliver the change Ghanaians are expecting. The agenda will only succeed if we all own it at the branch, constituency, and regional levels. Let us be each other's keepers, look out for one another, settle differences internally with respect, and lift each other up. A house that fights against itself shall not stand. A house that fights against itself shall not stand. That's scripture quoted by Dr. Edem Segwefia. A house divided against itself shall not stand. That Edem Segwefia upon Herdogu Amio Kenyan Disitole Juba Okataji. Biako Gromber Manya. Iya memi lebe amona wambo nyama swashino koklovima swashino akokonkitektima swashino mabomoro nkujino nyawe kwefu nyawe lakala kaka otroma bademi. No, that's not necessary. Divisions but bickering but totally the lively platokata mahia game su fifia over yodo do your mo chancho branch branch level, ward branch constituency level who have a regional kakaka national a year to areazo national vashana is not it kaka ya pumna mashama be some yole bero koyo christiabo yo ntefana jirua kaka ye jirua fashi jiwa ngoyoba mayo kaka ko enango that resetter the future resetter ye dana nana jim edoro jalo mara foto o meche ngori by difian blow ba ko dada na takona manito alawe oklo because so I think that's what we have there. All right, mia azo de ngo voa apo gani plafani majibe mako bedasi cho amaro yok amukala magbana lewona ya tutum bleka mako bedasi cho go kana matrova nyai nyajojo bana mamloma jojo Tony Mark-Boye magona.
No silence ever English dictionary. But the dictionary has some fee. No silence ever English dictionary. Standard. Ton. Standard. Yeah. And you know the view. And you know the view can basic level. And you know American SHS. And you know American university. Allo language. Nanya make a few. And they are strong but no silence ever English dictionary. And you know how I'm a still make a never view mutual. And they are strong but no silence ever English dictionary. And you know mama. Let's look for so mad than a place order Amazon. Allo number can I call the screen Nigeria. Open to me to the can also but if you can la nyako no silence ever English dictionary. Aqua coveno. No silence ever English dictionary. And you talk.
To ship products from Germany to Ghana. Nivaj Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivaj Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afienye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sports wears, for both male and female. Name Yajima and then one le powerhouse le ho me na the Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu ne chobi na junction na the Frajet Hotel but tututututu afima nye le nyema. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 63 00.
Go. Oh, what the? Let go, Joy.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, go to put too much toy. Upon your worms, but a killer.
Oh,
the number for fun. Never got too much to move. Come on, not to go.
that is not the Abraham Baraka in LA. I party to Pony for boy hour. But the husband didn't fear. Coco in a dinner for Garawunya, Yapon or Passy Banico, who went on Yan Furama. Well, a Passy Coco for Yakokatara Bay.
Well, when not to go,
Vai, but I cannot sugo. It a big at that the Cremonton top. Vola Patica, Busielo, wait off here.
When you vola togo, you mon no Chicago, Mokbong Jaja.
Vola Chica no plan. No Zama Fiva, Nana Kama Furaganao, Mashama Nazi.
Nyapa to do wala to fita. Itanyeza vola Chica. Nyatuma toro ha. Was a vola Chica for 4 Gila.
This Vola Piki. Vola baby.
Mauna you don't vola to. Or now I'm a son.
Vola pachika la chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned la akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbewa oja dogomo ndiga andrekla afa wadashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1452
vola
Nina nemiayi vola basenda afima mi apodo yoyola nyadeba vola
Viva là, applaudis le fou de now, allez le fou de now, Tomadou le fou de now, un petit pas de cas, Tomakata, mais le tomo mieux de quoi, et tu m'as cloné bas, il a voulu faire senta, il connaît Django, applaudis, Victoria Baka, affirme à Podor, où toi quand Fukama tutu dokada vola heba senta Dr. Prosper Debeneba come on
kadon kwajiba vola pachika
yo akpana mi be mi le kama kplim le Ŋdi Ŋdi Wɔna Ŋdi le Whole Technical University for Jimfuga Hostel la matututu ne miajim be yakpo kebaho alo na cheka plimi to number yo ke je jam le mi TV yoji alo mi akpre mo kple bududo kple mishami ke na tem ahia ike TV Wɔna mi afashio onya shibule to ke akro ke na tem akpo avua videga donago cho kachacha kple bubudodo le miaƒe yava la ojime ta mekpe mi katã be miage ɖe mia dzi ale be miawoe be woanyo ne miankɔ sema donc dzi be mi le Facebook dzi megale YouTube ha Ewenyigba TV TikTok jikra mia kpoke mia pega Ewenyigba TV kama mia kosono Ghana Togo Benin ple Nigeria ko pasha pa iko fumu baja ole iko nyala kama ko o mia kosan ko ke nyenton ko nye Tony Mark-Boye yo mia zo nga kpo nkanya nya jujo gbano yo ke kaka nya jojo yo le nya fantome le egbama tamia ayi the news headlines for today ke mia jagon ple Africa Today Africa Today hanya nya jojo gbana de ke chumia fantoma fia Africa Today just a beginning. I don't know what's that. Africa Today. Okay. I have no hand in Tayman Road property demolition. I have no hand in Tayman Road property demolition. That's a headline we have. This is a banner story. And all right, me that she Africa Today nchi. Me that she Africa Today nchi. Me I Ghanaian Times. Nana furam na ikanya nama hu. Okay, let's go back. Africa Today. Thank you. Let's go back to Africa Today. All right, I have no hand in Tayman Road property demolition. Ni Manle Jaha. One denies allegation. I have no hand in Tayman Road property demolition. Okay, Mikbo ni Manle Jaha. Banto yikanye fia le tema ntome tema boko bi panta pamalo pona cho abogba shoma yina ko ha ke tema fia bo yefashima le na khoro yoko gbanle moto yefashima le mabale gbomino right TCDSEO meet Yagbon Wora to boost Savannah region's share sector. All right, TCDSEO meet Yagbon Wora ta Yagbon fiaga ema le fia kple amagan ikanye TDC to pe fiag pe nunola obo bai dogo Yagbon Wora le choi kevazu choi kevaime o gbagba jembe yo pole ke yoku fagle de kple ifashi chacha pe nyawo dawo ya fmaro Ghana US to convene high-level talks on Furiata, other pending extraditions. Okay, Sremsai Pong, Justice Sremsai Pong, Cho Ugo Blombe, Ban, Ken Furiata, Wajambe, ya no America, Yamogboku, Yahoo, residence in America, Ube, Achachon Jim, Alave, Odem, Laka to Anna, America to Canada, she Ken Furiata, and Chinamio, Valave. EPA urges chiefs to deploy ancestral sanctions against Galamsey as illegal mining turns deadly. Jirudope ike bona miape yaum eto plafo pete dino jigo plone fiawe na wo atofokponi ya togwi opeso poruru ple gogbo amodumono ike nanawe Toma Bahoshi, kukuya kacho ike jim ano atotea no we fa nchami ko nyacho de kongwe ike otanwa plus zube shika kukuma no sen na chi anowe 1,600 health workers under consideration for deployment in 2026. Health Minister Mabomi Kandole Fia Wablombe Amakbere Kalfa Danruso Monye Nosivier Yokohogo Yola. The lawyer Labi pays Katsekor on Okere Chiefs donates 20,000 cedis to support 2026 Guan Congress. Okay. Senyala Renkonya Labi Ema non Katalefma by Tukwe na Okere Fia Ubo na 20,000 Fuma plus Suba Okokbere Wolf Untoma Pasna Ganchi. All right, ta paper via onye paper yoke chumiapa Untoma Fia. Madufuga pata akbo paper garo ra le minute pero magbe ke napo ga ni minute black ton vo a ton amahodon chuchupiare ala miaho badashi chome ko mabadam nami amokala mabanami blaga amokanye miapo mabada ala bana troba made nyama popoto helikam choma buo ala boni pagranche mia ajonyoma that me delegate quickly delegate very quickly. Minority condemns arrest of MPP members. We have that here. Minority condemns arrest of MPP members. Afarinik distributes 400,000 free cocoa seedlings to Volta region farmers. So, Makbo Thomas Wolano Chakbo Lafia, you can talk member of parliament. So, Takwahamano Rafma. Makbo Jean Mary for Madiono Tata Lafia. Makbo Devida Papo for Tata Lafia. Plus Sebastian Day. Makbo Tata Lafia over Oma Kokochi will Wuziarona Ntomato, Kokochi Wuziazan, the Votarigin, Bonoma. So we interrogate that when we have time. Upon marking a lefia, Mokmom Nigeria, Alec when people told about our Samajona. All right, US extradites ex-master box to serve 10-year jail sentence. Sedinam Christine Tamakla Tionu, Sedinam Christine Conyare, Christine Sedinam Ationu Tamaklo. Agbo to America, Wazon, Oligwe, Albert Povito Vashima, Kakaviaro Agbacho Hao, Unyao Ban over Kurashinchi. Na amaimo for Jipodofa or vai a whole to her alava blashira jirufa gama o nya broma la bomwa o she America bogo. That's that. Microfinance and Small Loan Center, former CEO. You are welcome to Ghana. Charles Bishop case court rejects portions of OSP key witness testimony. All right, Charles Bishop on OSP Kisia Jaben court. Alabachok banade kanye mledani kanye dasa fopo mledani nyayo ogro akogro mocho let me show nyaba court ko obo ko promi vale ala mare bonambo mana mo na court case ta o tutu taflira OSP fa nyaro man ba to bona trogo to yo bo ba onyami na ba mare nya fiafia lotu coffee la kajaba na ablaliji achokperoji koto e ko biafi. All right, Rambo teacher caged for assaulting female student. Make both teacher yeke for sukuvi nyonvi pimanya bio. Klaula ni twinye ka choka ba GS ba yuto fokponi yo garanya mabuko yona chidudu fa do fa ka kwana sanya ji all teacher ma. So we have that there. All right, quickly the Ghanaian publisher IEAG hails ICUM's impact on port operations. Eduboy Intra Court allows key email evidence. Citizen moves to block DACF payments to MPs. Mamapart calls for strong action to end obstetric fistula. And NDC 2028 raise Pratt questions credentials of hopefuls. All right. Banade aya acronym so Zamole, the publisher. Kanyima Pofia Kunyaba Pratt Boglombe, Pario, Boglombe, Onye to Copro, Onyama Kaha, ntepo kpokpo suku de munya kelo shigobi so mekpo asedun ketia la fia mekpo Casio la fia Harino la fia mekpo Julius Debra la fia. All right, so that's that we for the publisher. The Daily Gist quickly. The Daily Gist. Aegis witness admits private BNC account was not for Edu Buahin. Ato forcing seats on 24 billion Ghana cedi as ministers cry for cash. KGL in NLA's financial backbone with 173 million Ghana cedi revenue against 44.9 by 29 lotto operators. Said Dina's American dream ends at Insam prison gates for stealing $6 million Maslon cash. Goma West NDC rejects Captain Smack's membership claims. Blows over Mahama appointees paid awards. All right, so delegates Mahama appointed over Ghana Kachamo no una award Rumbo or coverage of Mado T. Goma West over Captain Smack Domo. Said now, whether Kuku in America, Abba, Rensa Bowman, engage $6 million your way fee. All right, you can get all that on the delegates. The news center after setting out for Reactor, Dr. Ayeni heads to Washington for deal to exchange him for Ghana's wanted by USA. Miapo Attorney General Jiru first anyala Ghana fumago we banaba yola sedina fiako kanofrata elegy yola ga kokoko yo yi Washington yo back putana. Supreme Court acts to drop DACF transfers to MPs. Junior high school graduate another drowned in Swift 81 Mokwa rivers. Oh, Sukuvi Aroka Dogo, the junior high school in Choya, Onoviaro, Ochitoma. All right. Wishes and dreams will not move AI forward in Africa. Public leadership, ethics, accountability, and ministerial awards. All right, so we have that. Let's look at this one. Then we go for a short break. Metrolens. CTN by another name. Renewed CACO tracking push raises cost, duplication, and data sovereignty questions. Arnold Dompre gives 208,000 Ghana cedis to Sound Hospital for OPD expansion. US returns Sedina Tamakro back home. Boachi Ejako rallies Central Region MPP executive. So, Banahanya Roblanca, I know don't break against someone graduate of a member of parliament over 208,000 Ghana cedis. But Konji and someone for Konji. Wow, that's a good one. That's big. That MP Common Fund, they are going to talk to Kumaga. We don't know that. All right. Nkola Mahodomo Chuchu, Yadama Trova, Madanya Pope, Akofiami, Nemia Sorango, Tony Mark-Boye, Magajo, Magbona.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Ŋdi Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Ŋdi Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Oh. No silence ever English dictionary. But see dictionary aka so fi e passe ke. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton standard and you know the view can le basic level and you know American le SHS and you know American le university allo le language then ya make manya view and they are strong but no silence ever English dictionary and you know amasia make na nya vadi mo jura po ene bi aso gbagba ha Muslims English dictionary enyo na wa mama na la dile ko so ma na na kula atia place order le Amazon allo number ka na call screen Nigeria opo to the ka na WhatsApp afisi afika na la nya ko Muslims English dictionary akwa ko be no akpe Muslims English dictionary enyo nto.
Welcome to Rex Stitches. Afi enye nyonwo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobie nine junction na de Frajet Hotel but 2222 afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what is that? Go do it.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, go to put too much toy. When you want to kill it.
Oh,
the number of fun. Never got too much to move. I'm not go.
That is a brother. If I can't lay a party to point for boy hour. But the husband didn't run fear. Coco in a dinner for Garawunya, Yapon or Passy Banico, who went on Yan Furama. Well, a party for Yapokatara.
Well, not Chico.
Vai, but I can sugo. It a big at the Cremonton top. Vola Paticawa, Busiolo, wait off here.
When you're a vola togo, you man no Chicago, Mokbong Jaja.
Vola chika no plan na zama fiva nana kama furaga nao mashama nazi
Nyapa to do wala to fita itanyeza vola chika nyato matoro ha woza vola chika fufu jijila ama
This vola piki. Vola baby.
Mauna yura vola to onaula masa
Vola pachika la chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashion la akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbewa oja dogomo ndiga andrekla afa wadashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
vola
Nina nemiayi vola eba senta afima mi apoto yoyola nyadeba vola
efi valo akuloli le fuda now alele le fuda now tomadu le fuda now echi de padaka ofuto makata mele to wonyi de wa eti makolo no ba na ile vola eba senta ikene jengo applaud Victoria Park afima na kodo wotu akame wa wofuto wofuka ome wofuka matutu dokada vola heba center Dr. Prosper Debeneba na kodo come on vola
kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyona funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de fio mo hoko
mi apon pola akpana mi be mi likpim la Ewenyigba TV ji. Mi ape messages so ha o ji journal we mi anovi Emmanuel be ya ila gbe ma ke mi anko sen la ka gba mara akpana Emmanuel ku sogbo chokeke we yo ta mi anovi o kele TV agbo ma jo TV agbo ne be ya jo TV agbo na ya ba mi le YouTube ya onye Ewenyigba TV mi ga le Facebook am yo ka nye Ewenyigba TV ta ka chacha na no nyifa fisha fine ya mi anu mi anko some right mi ap news review mino front page so kmamda afie yi valemi ke mo gran be ma da nyama pepe elikam choma bo wezo akofia mi yo mari all right on to se headline so ngole dumiaza nya pam o ye miese ke publisher gbonyare aba gomwa west showdown. I will contest, I've told the MP, and he's shaking in fear. Captain Smart's NDC membership card pubs up. The Miko Captain Smart here, officially known as okay, so Captain Smart is here. Captain Smart ila gumwato dome over the Concomal register mo. Captain Smart stand as MP. A male teacher arrested for assaulting senior high school girl. Video are cha join quote amaranya makobo de vinchu viare konya ka oba chichai utu no bitu tu ka close and fine obowoli ka police and prisons welcome run away Tamaklo said na Tamaklo le fia looking cute only to America gbo ashi la Ghana oba aru afijiro ga $6 million yere kamalo. Will you be next to die? The rains are here. It's an article here. All right, Honorable Nyaya on your headlines. Oh, the publisher screen ajinam. The publisher headlines yoke lemia bonya. Imagine puncho rekanchina. Publisher on the screen.
Yo, I bet I'm a really look up this month for a couple of chats of
But said dina Tamaklo in Halefia, Kakere Kakuna, Puncho for now.
You are actually, I could government MP or pronounce the sentence. They are saying
MP,
no, a minister.
No, a CEO. Domaga, the publisher, the screen, Jinam, please. Yeah.
Yes, so actually, I can comment to look at the Baba, the Jumbe, the right to be heard, $1, Abe, no sentence in absentia. Also, I'm not support because.
No, hold on. See, I want the publisher on the screen. And if there's a reason for not having the publisher, you must give me feedback. Police and prisons welcome runaway said in a Tamaklo in your topic. Bovito, I'm a ye more for dova. Wo ole sedina tamwa lo senira Tamaklo ello washime ka akuto court process adoli na no li o sign pleto judge ka umo sign na no ko dashine prisons topic ayenye alo ye na cho ye na gbogbombo be right to be nka.
Oh no,
okay.
Yes. Yes. Anytime go to this actually for you have a call and the party as well, the party now, you have a clear the probity and accountability. And then corruption, I didn't be able to see the whole call you do better. I don't common do better now than I call and then the common do for the then you go the power as the point the card, I got 2 more 50 you have made before. that maybe over lewa and looking to Japan 1 hour, and put your letter and one hour, and maybe your joke at the position of the year. One year, maybe you tell you Pulasima, a Google check the Kakwa, a Siakawa, Nasikawela, you already there, a consequences at all. Then I'm very young, yes, any there under the NDC government. Yeah, NDC government have been very known for that. Yeah, to Panawa, negative forward that who are one and media from the fluid. And I'm Mama, before the point of issue about the project in the Saga project in the northern region. And the NDC government, they are necessary as a company. Yeah, this particular CEO here, and the NDC government, yeah, we have strategy for the US company. Who now put in the building and the NDC government who pronouncing it as a who on the development of Quebec. Okay, and the end of the government, I think about the people that they are about this, they are sentence the money and the one. Okay, aside that, yes, any January, Victoria, okay. And which all people comments all who say alone evidence over the lawyer who agree the sentence which they be over you entitled to some of every this year is about the lawyer over who keeps that the tradition process the actual lawyer and feel like what kind of feel the open client the right to be heard because of trying abstention.
Not you try in abstention.
The process is not here. The process is not here. But if they catch it, they are present and that any court never see the leave of the court. And that's around 2022. Dono nye future mo kwe daro fi ko be alo stretch adi o lo ko be menya biamu ye o be pela magle ye o ikoji tayo wa li gbo na fiare ka to 2022 versus 2026 ama higher po no that take go back e tie nye be yes e be no sami fe a chepe lu evidence only.
I mean, the primary school, social studies, to every right, there is responsibility. You have right to be heard, but you must be responsible. And le court, yenejo, o jim, negbe, o issue warrant them magbo, my farm, o lawyer, only, o medna dambe hey, a sea do kojo kala, ne e wubusumu, ye. Got a wave, right, man? And I go say, man, you low. I don't. You may expect a wave. I get in that way. Never know, prisoner, but no one appeal process. I go, man. Yeah. Nay sound. But
it's just been public education. Even to go on process only. Yes, I'm here to gather evidence at the government. Look
les samu de neshin chofong we mmakukubo e han jesionye betiachienye I didn't expect you to take that angle.
So that is fine.
We have done a very good comment. Now, if you have the topic, I will COVID washman. And some no get. Now, you from a bill, but I come back to appeal. No do ya fire at that. Yeah.
So similar process. And evidence that the double somebody go consent this way. Hey, where I could have another version, another one, every superior, and go and delegate, and go another way, and go out here. Fine, let know the inside and no present. But the good thing, yes, this is Minogo, Nika, Africa, day of accountability like this. And the very simple too. Then never the gamma hoko na to come and you back. That the other question is about me calendar yeah, some of us will get it. I'm not cost national losses in Africa. That is property all the same. My chase them out of Africa. But that's what makes it let me allow when Ima o ya gba a lo be for ko tele ni Africa take me property o wa after this is a criminal case. No lower efifia wo to hegeno de efifiata if to hemolene ega ahohwa is a civil case. I go say me this no ega ahohwa is a civil case ta o ma gbogbombe na sedina yi mo a ega fianlo o to hemne de fifita na jiwa be ahoga then you institute civil action. Attorney General, because plea bargain, you're going your settlement and after five. You are now sentence, why reduce and look like our and you pay back about the inside, back about feed, back about medical, back about to give property. If I buy it later, because you have the civil action, you don't person that I'm looking for that Emma, giving party the civil war guy, mention of you. That for me, this case is not over. Yes, I know. No, human. So in the appeal process, what are our plea bargaining or case management in that process? Evidence you see there. I go if you know evidence also you going to Kakeno Biana, yes, the plea bargaining process. Just give me a point. The minister of 10 years, I want to I think over $5 million. $6 million. You see, not poor guy, Kabba, Ying Baffy, that to be via Muyama. But your Maraka Nabe, Yabro, and this RMP Panyalangamo. You understand? She must be punished. No, never figure. Yamabo, see, but the main issue is that I give a border one and unknown, but super now, oh, doubted to that boy, no for. And I go and say, $6 million. You can do more to a Fiakaka, carry your mirror to cover. $6 million to be via the car. They're not a guardian. They're not a guardian. Look for Gagba. Look for Gaboli. Like that sentence, I look at you when you never let to come at it. Never holiday. That about boy. You never to come over, but Bambo Yomo Berkeley. None of my bola. Crime, there is an axiom that crime has no political coloration. Never polar. Efi busumde maka party kamanalo da na mare demonstration won yonto nyama kaka sakose ya na tabe na me o figure na me figure ba over $100 billion and $10 billion ya okay no condition over $1 million ya need to go well and go demonstration very smart and quickly the custodian ever declared DACF payments to MPs illegal. Ghanaian citizen to Supreme Court. All right, that's the custodian. Another Dumpre donates $208,745 to Insawam Hospital OPD expansion. 208,000. It's a reporters yawa mijimianya be are not done break to kuma ganye alo MPs common fan of party are not done break donates Merekuku custodian on the screen are not done break donates $208,744 to Insawam
Hospital, OPD, Outpatients Department. What is presidential about them? Kwesi Pratt questions credentials of NDC aspirants. Kwesi Pratt, you can former managing editor and insight. A blog from Bambo, Koyomolabo, Ubonye Flagachola. Nkai Leonchi, Kefiamba, Wosu Guswa, Loche, Nedoma. What is presidential about them? All these kind of people. Ato Force. I said, Ngetia. Julius Debra. What is president? All right. Lance Minister launches Eric Opoku. Lance Minister launches small scale mining scheme. World Cup 2026 kicks off tomorrow at your World Cup Jagome America. Waste managers urge sustainable funding for Accra sanitation. Tano Tama Boom Cho Eka blog and Justice do message quickly. Justice Berry. Justice, okay. But good news, there is no place like home. Welcome back home. Welcome back. Said in a tune ways on. Your Hammerbe new or Double Freata will be shaking like will be shaking like me too. Why you like you too? And he's next to come. All right, thank you for a message. Samido message number, bring back Ken. We want him right here. Let her pay what she looted or sell her properties she acquired or has to pay the looted money back to the state. 10 years will come soon and she'll walk free to enjoy her loot. Okay, so Sami is agreeing with your message. Okay, we thank you for that. Last one, Machlin, last one, Chelsea and boys, and we always messaging me. But I'm saying that Tamekulationu has actually disgraced herself, family, Ghana, and womanhood. Okay, thank you. That's a new pop-up. Agbesikumodi, but I can't wait to see Kanofreata back in Ghana. All right, and Christopher Bear, she was Mohammed's baby. All right, so Mitro custodians headlines all of now comments are over. Never go near just a minute. Then we'll go to one topic from the custodian.
Yeah, so I'm very comment. I think that is it. Because I'm getting property, then you have said that 10 years and maybe as a court to pay it's about 6 years. You also have the remission, you know, they calculate 6 years. You never enjoy a property. No, property
all right. Custodian.
Move back to
but what is presidential about them? No, the newspaper what are their credentials? I'm a carriage where custodian editor is just a click, you know, a clickbait. But what's their profile? We want to examine their profile.
If you want to look at another profile, you take as we have to post any member of parliament and of finance committee, Minister of Finance. They have credentials only, portfolios will specify. So that one.
I love Magrabe questions credentials.
Yes.
So it's clear.
When you are questioning about credentials, this is some of them. Let me pick out two posts. We know okay, middle member of parliament, the member of the finance committee of parliament, a finance minister.
Tanka.
And the other roles.
Tanka, Tata's president.
No,
no, don't have Tata's president.
Yes, no.
Qu'est-ce que c'est que
you see, constitutionally, enemy the requirements. That's the kind of president. Yes, enemy, sound mind, must be of this age, and all that. Can get up to where whenever you question relation, then maybe another know. Then after those two Muhammad, then what was Muhammad's? We go from assembly member, minister, MP.
No, assembly member,
MP.
No. Member of Parliament, Deputy Minister of Information, Substantive Minister of Information.
And so when you are saying credentials,
no, you are not getting. No, Pratt. See, Pratt, I'm a guy who nyamanya piamole. Mabogbongbedi, ato force in the former finance minister like Ghana. Me, Ken, former finance minister Somalia. A demand ice or that ice. That you see, by telling us he's a former finance minister, is not enough because end of year they mal fiare.
No.
Do you know what I'm saying? No. Wait, it's not. It's not enough to tell me that the person was the minister of state.
Yes, these are some of the things we have to. Then after that, they achievement.
Yeah, Dodo Banaba Pone. Dodo, no. Ona Gabana Pone Casella, Maniabiamo. Just a second. Dona Gabana Pone Casella.
Like in your economy, like a young finance minister, don't run in your economy, that's it. You must talk about yeah, you need to
okay, we don't have time. What are their credentials? I told Governor Pumnalo, Amukata Glogodo, Julo Debra. Of which region?
No, it's still region. Yakabani CEO, I think rural ban or something, rural ban or local government. Local government. So
yeah, local government. Under Mahama Banto. I had a qualified who I'm a man now.
Yes,
come to think of him, no picture of Julius Zebra, the picture of JJ. Better picture of Amoha, Mazam, or marketing. I can't see Buha in your king. But I said, when you say, yes, le Patiame, as making no JJ, bang bang bang, Keda boys, on your veranda boys, so
yes.
Vice President. My no ben yabo mi arokyo na Vice President na iboko madam.
Vice President it's a good platform because we have you get a very good at least credentials are over control that huge. Maybe I don't know what to go extra cover end of the day at least advice with our power and at the point we not Ghana I'm again economist ya we have done run educo can get take the back for problem and killer and like many other economists or banking and finance and finances for example I don't run if you have a communication structure run very well.
History. History. Make one blogger from you. Make one blogger. So the new crusading video grab via the message. The new crusading just quickly standoff bruise between Sunyani Hini and Doma Hini over illegal mining sites. Doma Fiaga plus Sunyani Fiaga all the via Dora lo don't know come some galamse punya ota. Afarinik establishes Ghana's largest sustainable commercial cocoa plantation. All right, Afarinik lefia over YKGL outperformed 29 operators. Tetegu residents upset as authorities fail to dredge Densu River estuary. Okay, Tetegu tomato subasama graba jiru dongo moten water berura le Densu chiamo plefiko cheka ple chafulo. Arnold Dompre donates 208,745 Ghana cedis to expand in Swan Government Hospital OPD. I don't get it. Tawa no Dompre koga. CD placha 208,000 ko dashine Macau Hospital Administration. Well, yo nyama. Shebi police commander under fire over death of 24-year-old gold dealer. Okay, Chebin Toma Topa Povitopa Domagabe the America Hooper Blabovone, Kanya Shika, Kofa Shichala, Elku, over Navaronya Manchi. Alright, Mama to cut short for Central Phase on June 24 as refinery calls for concrete roads to transform Temes heavy industrial enclave. That over a moment me that ye yade let the manto of ma mahama ina enhuga tafian micho ami kotokoto alome bruho blocho tapra into ma macho be fia ala ba wotro shinchi ozu amome mio miazan fofofo. All right. Kakobo yohiana mo. Citizen to Supreme Court stop payment of DACF cash to MPs. All right, Churaka.
Yeah, so my lolo, any good topic. The government is government land and the oil sector. Tampona improvement, tampona some energy, alo yeah, the government.
Yeah, mas senhora, vai NDC.
And the NDC government over the period. That the oil sector, alo energy, alo oil sector. That the pona be to na to.
Miape mo miade miape taji o discover amile kept 3 points le. Kufo was the president when they discovered oil. I remember. It can't get your come I'm not surprised. Maybe they me militant cha me nya nku ikoko pona chaputo ma kwa mi la mo amaro ko mi abo je ko yo meji most of the people oil and gas costs so that they have about so business activities that area are known for that activity but because government no yara o me practice about e ma to no yoba no ekele no yoba ni no yobi ko no yojo na o plan na no plan na you work as you ice man. Therefore, that is all. And that is a government. People have a real development, real progress in Nigeria. And now, therefore, Babe, just to question about oil family, and that is a compact. And you have to find good oil, the capacity increase. Now, another oil family ever. I say, I am your goal. She said, go, government, yes. Government, for the money I'm going to use. Government, for your and he supply and define. Therefore, once the man told me that you very define it, then you have to take a drum there to go. If you never have to take the time to go, you have to and nobody, and we pass to a high. That's the country don't have a Saudi Arabia, or actually 1 liter. We get about 50 cities, 40 cities. Some of them 1 liter, 3 cities. Pardon, even Nigeria, me attach me 5 city. Ako kore nkekemere kanduma. Ako wodo. No directly 1 city or in a demonstration. Serious? I'm talking about 100 naira. Ako jami.
That would take a refinery government man and everybody. It's a new because now we have to go and invest government must only invest at the Wapa set up refinery. Instead of women on the invest a man or a camera for the few. Any other change you have a city into dollar. Let's change with differential. No. That any argument of it, near Ghana dollar, or do it on let me have a visionary leader. Yes, JPM. I can't pass the way. Kakeli, then not the Ghana told me the for long. Because look at that, see, here I may have economic jambos, we speed a child seminar, we talk the Kakop Land, Okahoda, and we have this that in I knew, and Mr. President, there was door and we are dying and told we let body and very soon
yo mi pon polo elikem chomo poema eva through mi news review of our campaign yo the daily banner minority leader fights for journalists free expression apoema kelefia gbogombe au mi rashinya jojo kakalongbe wo kakaponya jojo Galo for Manomi and Olonchi Manomi. Setting up Tanakuration labs in Ghana following US extradition order. KGL Foundation gives Accra Psychiatric Hospital major facelift. KGL paid $173 million to NLA in 2025. 29 other operators paid only 44.9. I don't think we have so much news over here. KGL front page. All right, the Ghanaian point. It looks so. The Ghanaian point. KGL pays NLA 173 million Ghana cedis at pays 29 other operators combined. Unplanned urban growth driving Accra flooding crisis. NDPC chairman cast doctors suspend strike after Santehine's intervention. NPP demands detailed plan to restore Bank of Ghana's negative equity. VAPE launches national cultural policy to boost job creation and heritage preservation. All right. The Ghanaian point, Ghanaian point was Blomber, Vice President, the corporate Ŋdi Wɔna kple sube watcho adom se miaƒe dekɔn kple ele bafia ke MPP tɔwo ƒe no le parliament aƒe nyɔma kiri ma alo no this Dr. Mohammed Amin Adam Menyea, former finance minister and a ranking member of finance ga nyala sese gbana fifi nyala Dr. Mohammed Amin boglombe fifi ayo be yo sem choji rugbo fifi ke Bank of Ghana po ta ga jarofa me vide kpɔmɔ de nka ya wo mo le kple sube ga jarofa ma la je vide kpɔkpɔ abe yo ƒe ŋɔlia eye ke yo no losses o mama ya pan bio do re yo ta yo re kuku. All right, dokita yo ke le CAS Comfort Teaching Hospital konjiga le Kumasi o tro e dome o ƒe GBB kadidi ronkuji ba o do ƒe nonola da Dr. Bedu Ashanti ni gera nyama kple agbonu glaro o ble ko also no ta dojim emergency ward is working. All right. Over NDPC National Development Planning Committee Chairman of Enya Lefia, Dr. Nin Moy Thompson. Mema, yeah, ye baglombe kaleko hotu permit maho dodo mano otu aplani bare toba aplani bare gota o to pleto achofia so dara gota tame atu moro acho amanofo acho bame bali macho mogata na be mu photo male kele gbegbe. Interesting. Ora bo churaka.
Yo ape ma ko chu nya abe so no ni se da o ya me so me mo areko me ya la ya me ko a o ya
Fiafi o jajage.
And then no go be this ke kwala ja fine. This man of one because I don't know this week. But yeah, I find I'm going to do no travel this for all man go out. I call me and I don't know but I'm more fully for today. Expect to go. If you have government the federal Africa, if my it's not a high alloy, it's no. I could over 50 over for 50 one. Only for 20 money. Never catch the garden badger. So, generally, man, yes, yes, no problem. The one man, let us man, look man. And a woman, you never back over me. Wherefore, a gentleman. That will go, let me say, let me call a family one. I know the guy supervisor last Sunday. Never go for like I'm going to register the land commission. No day, and normally, open for no plan the committee. When I go, every what time of the every one. If you are more than go, if you are just more than one, plan recommendation. And then you are the because it's a expo. It's every year, and it's a Jaco, it's a Jaco, and Yata, who for let you back. It's a Jaco forever. You can factory research. Unless a work I know, it's a Gadamole. No, I think the never president of this time around, you like decisive action taken. You must carry you and for you allow them to get property. No, never you are paid. But you come and you don't die. You are away. And after that, people will show entity. I am the Lord there. Who sent to, I'm going to tell the supervise. Families, I'm going to tell who sent to, all the more, all the more, all the two. I'm all over the Japan. I can't take a talk always about the benefit. Because of that person all over the trial, no. That president they are sure. The committee who says that all the people who say it. That no now or if you have a talk, you should not clear the check. All of the deputy can be here. For my answer, I compare it to the mais amewo va ƒe meli, amewo ƒe property meli, aka kple because ame ɖe ƒe to masемase, alo ame ɖe ƒe sita, amewo ƒe property, amewo ava kple no. Ta akpe be miaƒe president ede ya ƒe dodo ya xɔ, tapi le ne dodo ya ɖuɖia, efeke bɔa ne tsi gadza, ne ƒe ne tɔ dzadzra, imaka xɔ be amewo va ƒe afɔti kple property kple amewo ava kple
All right, me I use the Ghanaian Times. The Ghanaian Times. Over 4,000 drivers denied licenses after mandatory eye test last year. DVLA. Me and my Julius Nikwe Kote. Ekenya DVLA top Domaga, Chief Executive Officer. Enya banner story here. I will remember a MacBurn song back Ujabak Kava imabe yoko jirufa dasedi gbanabe onye fufula kaka yo don kuno po yo po bo ponyo ta nyemanya zukata unya blomro kaka it's interesting news na yo oba nakpo more mo ban kina kpo ha nwa ejima ba nke kpo aya lo be alo si nwa na be pe ko ba mo nkunla motion. All right, government offices tax incentives for factories outside Accra. Government office, I beg your pardon. Government office tax incentives for factories outside Accra. Deputy Finance Minister, I'm paying Dako Ema. You can Deputy Finance Minister of Blomber. Dopo Fiaso, Dopishi, Dopo Yokata le. Gengodo yo nkula ropa joga o nchi plus bo magano joga hanga glabale ke tofu ke le ge khemeno susuke le magbana nya do agia do le bobo ano traffic mo ka do vio na khasara no tan rate nje bola ne ba ko fu ba fa hagane le ke ye I don't understand that. Kaka is their economics. That's that. Ex-Maslog CEO extradited to serve 10-year jail term. Beautiful said in Christine. Yeah, ma. Agbaba. Allah povito bashima kohe. How many is your gato? I make up to $6 million, but go have no gajama. Push to end debts on push to end debts on inland waters. GMA distributes 20,000 life jackets, deploys 200 guards. GMA, Ghana Meteorological Agency, GMA Olizaro, Ghana Medical Association. Please on the screen. Ghanaian Times, maybe GMA, Ghana Medical Association, Ghana Meteorological Agency. Push to end deaths on inland waters. Over Yojiwe, Ku, Yika, Jonanamo, Utochi, Tomaro, Ubuchi Chome, Church said, GMA, Doparima. Juru do parima ma life jacket enya awaro ko duna bana gadget ma ofu alba nanu chata alba ona mo ma lo fava robo no to ogo amok aw madog banana advocate babana ikanye a front plane no stuff district chief executive good lady like that o share ko ba aw yele platu jo aw ye tocho because a share you watch to afia ba yira crack so a great and also na me confirm GMA, I think it's Ghana Meteorological. I don't know. Okay, all right, we'll record.
So, yeah, very important because they were acknowledged accident job, and most of them, I don't know, some years back, I put a crashing on to maintain once in the and I probably did also get well. Maybe if you give the pressure of my left meal, that on a move well, and more effort to make that no. They are doing the other who does not know next one. That's why I look at home, my own natural way. There was one time in the before the room try and the doing and doing across the chair. The other to the method. And Medeu, e poi sia la vittoria che sarà una mia cross, sia a Sidola, come sei un esame, ci sgaiando, che mi dà leggere, non mi domina su cui faccio il letto un po'. E poi già se Medeu, o c'è e noi vuoi vedere ma non troppo. Dai che poi c'è una banda di mano per vedere un cross. The good news in ever way about no man who let the family. I'm going to talk to one man of one of Fana. No, 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 at least. Maybe they come over here and go, okay, go to this, we are very happy and maybe that for 1 year. Yes, I'm over when I know you every time you but one day at least. I can't do another phone. Maybe I recommend a friend, then one alone out that one manage one hand in the house. One every day I will turn back for one and go. No, maybe the name is so. That for me, the prophet is good to this, but I will be fascinated when you are not there. If you not say the geography, the I'm talking about to because the whole year, another one fruit in the church, the story, that for me, it's a good one. I don't know if it's not because Delina may hold the church to Delia, possible. This number, if you look at increase there, and you make sure and do it every nuclear, and do proper one thing.
Yo, pinya ma block bare man chikwen be no kpogwo be guards like lifeguards or guards ame o kenya beto yo ke ho uno chacham de o we dana ma mi gado life jacket na mako ko amana no chama no lido jigera ma bon na na ba ku a e ga jijina ta lifeguards so guards so mo yo ke na me geje cham ko make ofuchi wofuchi aba dama ehia legbegbe mi ga ko je life jacket na ma amudan ya amana no muma nyon na no muma ano pardon ka ke on kuna so in ameoke so nchoma ale ka ogbo na nya so ama deden maka do wane be ono yame na mare na di mebo no fuma bu kaka adewuna ba se degbe fatuni. You got very good. All right, comments are coming in. Peter Kwame, but me to choga ida genjo. Me have president Egbowa cho Accra. Kafi me ayira Accra. Comment on me ton de va me jimakno afi Kujo do message now. This is the first time Kujo message. She will be giving presidential pardon very soon. Watch out. Or should I get said in a time very soon? All right, thank you for your message. She hasn't been taken to prison yet. According to Felix Kwache Ofosu, she is in the police custody as we are made to believe. All right, thank you. Remember you there in some harode because me have no sentence I'm a jailer. But Bovito Vashima Malengo. Da povito ga ho na gbalado warrant adoli o na paperwork arofu afia ko akodashi na prisons ave prison to na homale povito she get povito ko in her prison actually the kind of case but question go na ta marka mo go glomba the prison okay the point is that she's going to prison because there's no contrary ruling that annuls this current one that one and let Ganesh be started about it no guy prison no had na nyekpore na mare. Now, counter go me figure na butame. So let's do the media work, okay? All right. Thank you for that. Michael Domeshan, this is misinformation. She's not back. She is back. She is back. Okay. All right. Just a quick one. Me there Accra. Me have to call up a Moyo zone. Belarus play UK, but you're playing pretty surely. But indeed, here we're back with all of that. Back here on the Ghanaian soil after a significant diplomatic tour, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama will return with agreement as I intimated and renewed partnerships. If indeed you take a look at what we witnessed in the last few days, his visit to the United Kingdom and Belarus precisely focused on strengthening economic cooperation, attracting investment
and also opening fresh avenues for development. Of course, we are here to bring you all the live update, live pictures and videos with regards to the arrival of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Many have described this visit to UK and also Belarus as very significant in the history of Ghana, as well as the two nations that are concerned. And as you can also see on the screen, just a recap of the event that happened while the president was out of the country. Now, if you take a critical look at it, back in the United Kingdom, the president was at the London Stock Exchange. He also visited the 10 Downing Street. He was also at the partnership program and also the stock speech, as you have them on the screen. That's the event as far as the moment he spent in the United Kingdom is concerned. So on the screen now you have the 10 Downing Street event where His Excellency John Dramani Mahama featured as well. He didn't go all alone. He was there with his delegations from the Republic of Ghana. And so that's actually the event that happened in UK 10 Downing Street precisely. But as I intimated, in a GFA, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama will be arriving, and this is actually the background here at the Jubilee Lounge at the Kotoka International Airport, no, the Accra International Airport, pardon me for that. And as I mentioned, also we bring in all this live updates as and when His Excellency John Dramani Mahama touched down here in Accra. But far away in Belarus also, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, okay, so from all indications, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama has just touched down here at the Accra International Airport, precisely the Jubilee Lounge. We'll bring you all those videos in a GFA as well. But as I was saying earlier, in Belarus, the president held bilateral talks with Belarusian President Alexander Lukashenko and senior government officials. Yes, just on the screen, that is the aircraft in which His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and his team will be coming out from. Hopefully we get to hear the very good news. But one thing that stands out tall has to do with the arrangement with the agri sector, or the benefit the agri sector will be enjoying. I mean, after his visit to Belarus as well. We know the deal definitely went through, and indeed it's just monitoring how the things will be rolled out. But just as I intimated as well, yes, the plane has touched down, moving towards the final point where His Excellency John Dramani Mahama will walk out majestically. Many say that it is indeed true that we ought to celebrate some of these milestones or the achievements chalked so far. It's very significant because barely 2 years and all of these deals have been signed, all these bilateral talks, meetings have been ongoing. I mean, it's not just limited to a particular sector, but it cuts across. Remember, one thing that he is bent on doing is resetting the Ghana agenda. It's so ripe on his table, and that's exactly what he's been doing ever since he assumed office as the president of the Republic of Ghana. So there you see, gradually the plane will surely come to a halt. I'll bring you the few people who will be there to welcome the president. The vice president indeed is here to welcome His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. You always have it. That is out. Mommy will be home to welcome him back as well. But just this is actually the special coverage of the arrival of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama at the Jubilee Lounge here at the Accra International Airport. In your short is the vice president, Her Excellency Professor Nana Jane Opoku Ajiman, together with some members of the the presidential team, more like protocol, who are waiting, fervently waiting for the president to come out of the aircraft or the plane, where indeed a brief conversation will happen, just as we always do it here on Wezo TV. There you see the vice president also walking towards the airplane, where it will halt for the president to come out. Indeed, exchange of pleasantries most definitely will happen, and before maybe a message or two will be taken. Security is all in check. Everyone is waiting for that moment where he will come out of the plane for that particular engagement. But as I mentioned earlier, in Belarus, the president was actually, there was actually an agri exhibition where a lot of issues were discussed. The signing of that deal also went on. He also talked about his
non data mi porti via oggi moi che du copla zone de Europa du co ikenye United Kingdom bele Russia o du co kare kenye Belarus yema alba yi de mi ajiba mi ala tore nyaro yo blom kaka yi malio no tata ma mi po mi se commentary on ha pira ko na mi nya English ba on copla yi de UK que un mouton Dieu va être bafma le UK a kwa mo bo va tega to kope ashichanya ome enyami que tout ta o va kwa le fma oyi Belarus on a mis Belarus nye du kore que no USSR alo Russia pe to kote po mo habo bo mo yo que unoni le hike pe ava velia wo me Belarus yenye du kore que wana agblede nkuo agblede fue amo na USSR kata mawo na tohi yuko plaba to ko wo yo bam kaka UK plem Belarus be ya mo bankinya Belarus nka wena ma awo fuma wo na agblede mo trato machine mo kata so chana na duko bamle kata le USSR ke USSR ro fiaru fo ma ba jain gbo to a o ma o do ro kyo olorokyo shi Belarus va lorokyo shi akagblede ngoi bono egali albobe dayo popo sana agreement arofma alagblede mo fu wa pereka bejivo yo chogbo covenami mo ko mi ba ekpo e ma to kopla ha ko nya ya oke ko bro mi gbon chochora nya jojo gba no blewu aka mi akpe no vivi kwe honorable matron you
akpebe ya be president a ko kule amakan yone kana ko technical do dinami de femme equipment à l'imaginario pour yo secure partnership à le vidéo m'avait 1040 class equipment à l'imaginario and the government have so many projects where under the Ghana initiative only government every policy got into farmer service centers and farmer service centers why any agriculture any community any harvest combined harvest any advantage of the maybe the whole field that ya o kala ba ko no ba excavate no ba water nine no ba plant no ba pan go nine bit of the head na so why ya ba high that but ma wa ba farmer service center government to make sure that machine ya olia paton aidesma aba ko albana tani ke ko ta ko le ko bi ya nu ko le ready ya ba tan ko le ya ko aba ke na ta ko be du ana be du fo actually la acaba no attractive nami actually because the community go be actually the ke ko ile ma anu be ke ka ti suma ko ya ni wa do si o jo aba ko bi ile ma me ni to anibaa ngongoro ani ko papa spray we fertilizer we kakaka e do ka je at the end of the day no ko je pa nu ta ka ma ko je ko me fitila e we ta ko le life that is very expensive and the government ya ko ya ya at the exactly at nya at the ground be anabela instead of another one acre because the machine ya na at 5 or 10 acres so that they could go ahead and they are not going to give a money to say, Yanto, Yan, tomatoes to very I had to be Yakano and give you the photo. That for me, I may show a very present actor, Zalana, and the what you know, the equipment is out far, no one see out far. One way show better. Go fishing, and go many times very important. Ima lo government to eta ima minteni nyoyo na bele kya mento to na mento to alo mento to eta ka ko ni la e ko awo ni na mjalu wa ko ko be machine electric no to an wani petibia e mi ko be de no ba ni government ale ko le ta me ko be de o va mi lebe me ka ko be e ju to e to me na le para se ko ambulance the new ones were because government take over. I'm sure they will go back. But the power no, we talk it. All the fact that meanwhile, Just in the land for us, the one who very long for us to just Canada, they are starting maintenance. Then you just maybe next check now, you're going to check the actual about why man. Can you manage to every blinker? I'm here to catch up with the
Yo, Magbona, after Magatro Honorable Chia, message the Cavaro over Chiefy. Chiefy Mensa. About mosquito didn't come to welcome Oga. The tension is escalating. All right. Thank you for your message. I'm a for all right. Philip Perry, Mensa, Mensa, a warm welcome to His Excellency President. Indeed, you parents are truly blessed to build a solid, healthy government for a destination. Mama, Her Excellency Vice President Mama Jane, our hearts are grateful to God for you all with a healthy. All right, thank you for a message. We get what you're trying to do. All right, Fred Amenyabe, welcome back, Mr. President. You went on a fruitful mission, unlike Akufo-Addo, who will travel in private jets and come home with empty hands. Get some rest, get some food, and let the First Lady take over the task. God bless you. All right. But now that our president is back, the South Africans should be ready for the appropriate settlements for the unlawful evacuees. Zachman, but so now nobody's talking about the jet. Interesting. Ghanaians have short memory indeed. I don't know what about it. Do high jet, I don't play. Jet, yeah. No, please get me back. Get back to me quickly if you can, if you are still listening to it. Ngapa jet, but do high jet, yeah. Load of play like jamming. But you must say, what about the jet? Over jet, okay, me the Facebook in the messages. Okay, Sagbefia, Adam, Dr. Adam Savia, Dr. Adam Sagbefia, allahowide.com. My parent, first national vice chairman. Emado message. Wow, that's what they. Okay, the private message. You guys are doing well. We'll see how to work together. Thank you, Dr. Adam Sagbefia. All right, Mary Holanyo Holonyo. God bless you, Brother Anthony. Thank you for your message. Well, I mean, I'm going to Adenta. Okay, Doc Mianko Central Crack. Irene Ado, Mianko Semcho Abokobi. You are doing a good job. Yeah, God bless you. I appreciate you. Honorable Christian Adiabo, God bless you guys. Thank you, Honorable Christian Adiabo, for your message. Honorable man, now 1 minute so that we wrap up on this. Those are 2 or 3 earlier messages, but I'm sorry I can't get them. All right. Maybe assembly, straight up.
Yes.
Several Jagama, when you assembly member Lefia, so please take over quickly. Yo, medak benali kam choma bo nyam yo kata do nyakwe badasho de medok bene apato Emmanuel kam yesam yanko chowe do sem yanko chopla medok bene mikata bene sem yanko cho ben total bele pat le adaklu ha sem yanko kami ha Vincent chodakba Vincent do jakba do message aranvoa won su gboro funa jinata me yo chekam ta mako message akpano for your message. Tony Mark-Boye plomi le egba tome ke majima dakpene rich teachers to we anam. Honorable, we are free. Mapomoto and to raise teachers. That way, me size. Okay, can we party? Na problem free. Me tak honorable Richmond and them coffee photo so about your garden. I mean, no big technologies with that. I mean, that Vola Herbal Clinic. You know how me your garden. I mean, me call the New Slings Ever Dictionary. So, name gas and conyo chop. Andre, niga me bono. Amanu yanami. Honorable Baba never. Yo, bye bye.
That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs. African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs.